Anyway. Whew. Well, we're having fun right now because we're about 4 miles. We get off the highway. We're about 4 miles from anything. Out here in the boonies. You know, I'm praying that tire's got enough air in it that once it heats up, it'll expand a little bit. It appears to be keeping itself off the asphalt.
There's a tractor somewhere. Maybe they got a compressor.
He's got a little air compressor, doesn't he?
I'd go to him and ask him.
Can I borrow your air compressor real quick? I'll give you $5. Turn around. Just put the air in that thing. Doors open.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
I know.
Be quiet. We don't want to hear you right now. We're done.
Anybody home?
I don't know. The doors are open.
I know, those are. I just need to borrow his pancake. Anybody home? Oh! How are you hot? Woo! That puppy's cooking. Anybody home? Anybody home? Anybody home? That's a nice place up here. Going on that room. I yelled, ain't nobody responding. I know, I left everything right here. I spun around. I like it was probably that truck with the lights on heading out of here. There we go.
Maybe.
Responding to a crash or whatever. And buck everything. Hello? Got air in the tank. The problem is you ain't got air cup. Oh man. I know, what do you do? We're stuck.
Chester and Leon, and neither one of them home.
I know. And we're here. And they actually have a pancake sitting right outside with an air hose, and it's got 150 psi, just enough to do what I need it to do. The doors are wide open, nobody's here, and I'm wondering if it was that first responder. And I do gotta wait for that tire to cool. That son of a cooking. Whew, man. Wow. That is so freaking hot. Oh, dude. I don't know where they're at. But it's strange that everything's left wide open. And know. And I wonder if it was that first responder they were taken out. I parked here a minute ago and got taken out. To this point, we managed to creep our way to a gas station about 9 miles past where we were. And they had an air machine. And of course I'm running 18 on a 15 tire, but after being able to fill that up to 60 psi where it needed to be, we're now back on the highway. Should be fine. We're gonna go to our main destination. Not gonna turn around until we've done what we need to do. So we're on the road, and and I'm not going over 55 miles an hour on that tire. So, but it was good when it blew out. I really didn't notice. I really didn't get a pull. So, and I went a little while like, what the heck is that noise? It's getting worse. So, then pulled over, and come find out it was the passenger side front tire. We made it home. We got all the way to the reservation where she wanted to get her, our main goal was to get to the Indian reservation so she could get her cigarettes. And that was 60 miles from here. So we got home all right. The tire survived. Don't really get that much tread on it again. It's enough to get you. And of course it's a 21-year-old tire. Been sitting in the trunk for all that time and probably has never been used. So I'm gonna pull the other one out and inflate it real quick and see where my damage to the tire is. But unfortunately I drove probably a mile slowing down on the walls, the rims riding on the walls of those tires, and they're 50s, so they're not that, the walls aren't that thick. And when it went down, I really didn't feel it go down. It just all of a sudden there was a noise, but it sounded like it was in the back of the car when it was actually in the front. And of course what really makes me mad is the jumper box just sitting here the whole time, not even plugged in. Now it's got an air compressor built right into it, you know. Sitting on the freaking bench, not being occupied, and I didn't think about it going all the way up to going 60 miles away with no air backup or anything. But then again, where's my other? Don't need all that air. Where is? There you are. This I normally have in the back too. And no, I don't. I thought I had some Fix-It Flat in here, but I think I've used it on the tractor tire. I've used it on out here. There you go. I think I've used it on the little tractor, but I don't know. I'm going to find out whether this would even helped out. But if you go to a store, that's a good thing to get it in there. Okay, let's inflate this thing and see where my air is. See if it blew out a wall in it. Okay, somewhere right in here, I got a wall blowout. For some reason. Yeah, see it? Blew right out. Right out under the bead. There'd been no way even yep, had a wall blowout right here. There it is. Yeah. Yep, there's no, yep, look at that. There's no way even fix it flat. Would have done that. No kidding. Yeah, that solves that problem. Boom. Blow it right out. Great. See. I've just found out that a dealer cannot sell you a tire if it's over 7 years old. And looking on the tire, and if you're buying a used tire, I believe that is your tire year. So 7 years past that, I would not use it. The tire actually has a tire life. Still running. Or maybe DOT H 2410. Maybe that's it. It's got something to do with DOT DR 2410. So I was looking at this one over here. And that's DOT CR X. What's that? 2013. That's 2013. This one doesn't make it to me. 2410, 2010. That would be bad. That would be 7. That would be 8 years. It's 2010. All right. Alrighty. DOT. See if that's 2000 here. No, what minute? See what this one says real quick. If I can see it. DOT image. It's like 1411. As you can see the dry splits in it. And what's this one say? DOT. It's like 2410. 2410. And that back one. And that was a match. You know? I think that was a match. That a match 2410? Yeah. That's 2410. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely, you know, if you've got a small air compressor, put it in your car, even though that wouldn't have helped, other than the fact that my spare tire was not inflated. So, and check your tires for dates. If you buy used tires, make sure they're not over 7 years old. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Project Stang.